Hi, welcome back to the channel, and on this very quick video we have an unboxing for you here. So just wanted to share something that I've just got for the Traveller. Really been looking forward to getting this for a while now, and yeah, I just thought I would open it here, show you what I've got, and yeah, on another episode coming up later we will be showing fitting this as well. So yeah, let's dive into it. Okay, so I follow a guy on Instagram. His page is called Garagefoss. It's a guy called Justin. He's in the Netherlands, and he makes some fantastic custom parts for minis, and he's also compiling a lot of bespoke and unique pieces as well for his own build. And yeah, so it's a really cool page. So definitely go over and check him out. I'll put a link in the description below, and if I can, I'll put a little tab up here that you can click on. So yeah, let's get into this here. This item, like I said, has been on his Instagram page for a while now. I've seen some other Instagrammers who have bought this and fitted this to their mini as well from all over the world. So like I said, this comes in both right-hand drive and left-hand drive applications. So it doesn't matter what era, what country you're from, this will work for your mini if you have a center clock dash. So maybe that's a little bit of a clue for you there, but we just open up here. Really well packaged, and it was delivered very quickly as well. So I really want to thank Justin for that as well. So before I go too far, I just want to say that this is not a sponsored video. I was not given this. I bought this with my own money. So I just want to put that out there now before get anything in the comments there. But yeah, so I just wanted to share this with you because I just think it's a really cool piece. So basically, it's a center console fascia trim with the opportunity to put a rev counter on it as well. So if you're familiar with my build and with the video that I put on the walk around of the Traveller, I have a little auxiliary gauge bracket or binnacle added, which just hangs from the top dash rail just to the right hand side of the steering wheel. It's what they did in period, and yeah, it's pretty cool, but I just thought this was a much better application, and I think it'll add to that cafe racer vibe that I'm going for on the Traveller. So yeah, it just comes in two pieces. So we have the main binnacle fascia here in bare aluminium. You could possibly paint this, I guess, as well. I've seen it painted with wrinkle black and matte black on other Instagrammers pages, but I think for myself I might just give it just a clean, just to degrease it, and I'll fit it just as it is in the bare alloy. And if I just check, I think it's 2mm. Yeah, it's 2mm alloy, which has been laser or water jet cut. There's no burrs on it. It's really well manufactured. So yeah, really have to compliment Justin on that. Really good. Comes with this ring as well, which just fits to the front of it there like that as well, just as a little bit of added trim. So I'll show it to the camera there. So I just think it's a very high quality piece of kit. So really looking forward to getting this onto the mini. So if you're not familiar, this is a center clock dash, a three binnacle. Obviously you need to remove the chrome ring on it, but just for illustration purposes, this will fit to the front of the binnacle, and then the trim piece just fits to the front of it, like so. Put the 3 gauges and the rev counter in at this point. So yeah, that will be coming up in a future video. Like I said, I just wanted to share with you this product, which, as I said, I bought myself and is not sponsored in any way. But I just thought it was such a really good piece of kit. I really wanted to put it out there and share with you Garagefoss as well. So I would definitely recommend heading over to his Instagram page, looking at his products that he does, and yeah, get them for yourself. I definitely would recommend them so far. And so yeah, next video for the Traveller will be getting this fitted, and yeah, so this will be coming to you in a couple of weeks, all being well. And yeah, I want to get this fitted before the next big show, which we'll be attending, is the Causeway Coast Mini Clubs event up on our north coast in Portrush. So it's going to be a really a fantastic event. It's been 2 years since we attended that, obviously due to certain things happening in the world, and it was being cancelled. So yeah, that's going to be a 2-day event. I'm really looking forward to that. I want to have this fitted before then. So yeah, I'm waffling on too long now. Thanks very much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and yeah, tune in hopefully in a couple of weeks to see how this is being fitted. So thanks for watching, and see you very soon.